package came. Oh, okay. Basketball maybe? Card. Oh, more cards. Cube. And another cube. And this, whatever this is. Okay, so I just bought 3 mystery cubes from the Speed Cube shop. And if you don't know what that is, it's just where you pay a certain amount of money and then they send you a cube that is worth more than that money. So you get basically a profit. I bought 4 $3 ones just to see what I'd get. I got a $20 one before and I got this DyanZanchi Pro M. It's really good. It has greenish, whitish like outside and the stickers are like foamish kind of. Today, we're gonna be looking at these. So to start off, this is what looks the most interesting, like a ball. See, basketball puzzle. Oh, instructions, of course. Okay, so this is the basketball. What the heck? This is not a basketball. Basketballs have like lines. This is what, an orange? This is an orange. It's a blue orange. So as far as I'm aware, it's just like a 3x3 shape mod, and instead of colors, it has lines. So it's basically a 3x3 that's like a sphere. Let's scramble this up and try to solve it. Okay, so I got it all scrambled up, and I think I'm just gonna try to go for a cross first. Like that makes a cross because those are going, but this center needs to be aligned. If you're not following what I'm doing, I'm sorry, but I'll try my best. Oh, and I got 2 F12 pairs in that. That's just, okay, maybe it's an easy puzzle. Oh, this is another F12 pair, so I'm gonna just put that in. And, okay. Something tells me this puzzle's gonna be, like, not even gonna be worth anything. So, it's impossible not to get across already, and it looks like just got an easy OLL case. Okay, solved it. That was really easy. Alright, next I'm going to be doing this puzzle. What? Zangulen puzzle? I hope I'm pronouncing that right. 4 pieces. That seems a little mystery. $3. Seems a little like knocking me off. Sure, I'm really excited for this. Okay, we got this, and oh, it opens up. All right, we have Chinese card with 0 English on it. I'm not. What? All right. Oh, here's some English. Warning: to avoid danger of suffocation, please keep this bag away from children. Oh no. Alright, so this seems really lame, I'm not gonna lie. 4 puzzle pieces and a puzzle board with a bag. This feels like a weird bag. I'm not, a little off topic. It doesn't matter, but it's flimsy. Okay, perfectly clear. I'm not sure why they did that because this is not perfectly clear. Let's see if we can solve this, I guess. Okay, I did it. That was easy. This is lame. It's like, it feels really high quality, but why would you make a high quality jigsaw puzzle with 4 pieces? Alright, and it's way easy. Alright, I'm not good. Goodbye. Alright. Next, I have the Guanlong 3x3. I'm not sure what version it is. Doesn't say anywhere. I mean, it might say in Chinese. Alright, let's open it up and see how it does. Oh, I ripped it. Oh crap. No. These boxes are the worst. Instruction manual that I'm gonna need, yeah. Okay, no logo. This is not a good cube. It's like 0 corner cutting. Oh, it has a little. Not 45. Oh, horrible reverse corner cutting. Yeah, would never be my main, but it's not magnetized at all. Like, it feels so flimsy. And then screw. How old is this cube? Alright, I can't find how old it is anywhere, but I feel like this is from like 2014. I wasn't even cubing 2014. I've tried cubes, and it feels like actually when I first got my very first speed cube. Where is it? Oh, this. Very similar feel, except I put some lube in this recently. Those are very similar. Not quite the same, but oh, that's interesting. I'll get back to this. Maybe I'll put some lube in later. And now for our last puzzle, the MF3RS. Yeah, doesn't say anything else. All Chinese. Well, that one came out easier. Instructions on how to put the puzzle back together. If the puzzle has no stickers, apparently. No. Okay. Here we go. This one has a logo. Wait. Mofang. Oh, that's what MF stands for. I'm sorry. I'm new to this. I never get these cubes. I didn't actually do a scramble on the last one, but this one definitely feels better. Like a little more springy. It's not magnetic either, but yeah. Okay, that's bad corner cutting. Oh, does it have 45-degree corner cutting? Oh, not quite, but almost. And then reverse corner cutting. It's a lot better than the other cube. I don't even know, like, it's almost random corner cutting. Never the same. Alright. I got this $20 cube a little bit ago. I've been meaning to do a video, but I keep on forgetting. The logo came off way easy. This is interesting. I bought this for $20, and it's like $30 or $35 on the Speed Cube shop. I don't remember exactly. But instead of black, as you can see, there's white, and the white looks pink. And I figured out why. It's actually, this is supposedly green. So the white just looks really weird. I'm not entirely sure if that's accurate, but yeah, it still looks pink compared to that color. But all right, we'll do some corner cutting tests. Yes. 45 degrees, a little more. Oh, a little more. All right, a little more than 45 degrees, or exactly 45 degrees looks like is the limit. A little more. And then reverse corner cutting. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's okay. Not Gans corner cutting, of course. All right, let's do some solves on all the cubes I got. Okay, first the Guanlong. Oh, I can get an X. This is all right. What is this? Is not. I don't know why I relied so much on good cubes. All right, 27. Reference, I averaged like 18 to 20, so not a good cube. Next, the Mofang or moyou. I kind of forgot that they like have two different names, and it's really confusing. But all right. It's not magnetic. I'm really messing me. Oh no. That was okay. 24 seconds. It was better. Not the best. Okay, no. Now I'm overturning. The like rubberish stickers are really kind of throwing me off. Like not throwing me off, but they're actually messing it up. All right. +2. 21 seconds. All right, just to show I can actually go faster. My GAN 12 Maglev. All right. Oh, +2, but 16 seconds. See, that was messed up a couple times, and I got 16. So I can go decently fast. I just need a good cube. Just for fun, I'm gonna try to solve the basketball cube. Okay. No, stop it. Here we go. 17. So apparently I can solve this like just as fast as I can solve this. Ooh, okay. That looks really weird after messing with that. Oh, it's like square. Alright, this next review is not a mystery cube. I bought it on purpose. It's the WRM 2021 Maglev. Alright, this cube, like the GAN 12 Maglev, as you may have noticed from the names, is Maglev. Maglev stands for magnetic levitation. You can't see it in this cube, but right below that screw, that like the big thing around the screw, you have a magnet. And instead of a spring, like most other cubes, it has another magnet below it. And here, it's easy to show you on this cube. Okay. Okay, how magnets work are they have two poles. So this is, let's say, the South Pole, this is the North Pole. And this is the South Pole, and this is the North Pole. So when two opposite poles get them together, the magnets stick. But when you flip them around and the two South Poles come together, or North Poles, they repel, kind of like a springy. So the idea is you can put this in the cube, and then you can put another magnet on top of it, and it works just like a spring. The reason this would be better is because springs have friction and noise, but magnets, they're floating, so they literally have no friction and they don't make any noise. Look at this cube's louder because it has these long things and they touch the core and they make loud noises. But this one, it may not be as fast, but it has the same thing, and since it doesn't have corner core magnets, it's a lot quieter versus I'm not altering the sound. This is a very fast cube. It's corner cutting. It's amazing. 45 degrees. A little more than 45 degrees. Yeah, okay, so that's about the max. And then the reverse corner cutting. Okay. That's the reverse corner cutting, about right here. Yeah, so about like right here is the reverse corner cutting. Not as good as GAN's like this. It's hard to test corner cutting on this cube because it's a little magical. Ready? It finishes your solve. I mean, not solve, turn. It literally turns on its own. So, yeah, this is a great cube. It doesn't have its logo on it, and I actually didn't take it off. Came with it, but this isn't my cube. This is my brother's. Okay, so this is my brother. So, how have you felt about this cube so far? And like, how well is it done?
Well, I think it's done pretty well. I like how it has purple insides. It's a little heavier compared to this cube but besides that, I like it. The magnet turning, what's it called? The thing that you stick in and turn it, that's not the best because they break super easily. But besides that, I think that's pretty good on it.
Okay. If you could change anything about this cube, what would you change?
I would make it lighter.
How do you do that?
Well, in that case, I'd make it so you can change the magnet settings easier.
Okay, thank you for that, Hanner. So, along with this cube, it suggested that we get this Comet Lube, and I'm gonna just talk about that a little bit. This is a slower lube, and it's really gooey. So, I'm just gonna put one drop in since we have, actually, I don't know, it'll be fine. Just put one drop in. And here we go. Put this aside for now. And it really feels smoother, but like also more controllable. Wow, it's a little, as you can see, it's a little too controllable right now. And yeah, so I feel like if you put the right amount in, which we did, it recommended like 4 to 6 drops. We did that, and it became really, really fast, yet really controllable. So I'm gonna do a solve on this real quick. Right, 19 seconds. So that was about my average. I did get a corner twist though, or corner flip. It's all right though, because I still got sub 20, and that's all I wanted. First try. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and if you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.